In this video, we will see how to upload artwork on Merch Amazon t-shirts for sale. If this is your first time viewing my video, please subscribe to channel and click bell icon to get video updates when new content is added. Log in Merch Amazon website and next click Upload Finish Artwork button. Next in this page, we can upload our artwork for t-shirt and other product details. Click Upload button on the t-shirt here to upload your artwork and select the product type and marketplace you intend to sell the t-shirt. Select if you want the artwork to be printed both front and back or only the front side. Next, click Save Selection and Continue button. Next, on this page, you can configure your product fit for men, women and youth, and as well as the t-shirt colors that will be available for sale. You can select up to 5 colors here. Next, you can enter your price here. Higher price yields high royalty earning, but sale can drop down. So choose the optimum price you feel is right for your artwork. Next, click Save Selection and Continue button. Next, on this page, enter brand name for the product and a unique title for your product that you think the buyers would type in the search to look for your t-shirt. Again, enter keyword that you think people will enter while searching for similar t-shirt design. You can enter a brief product description and finally again click Save Selection and Continue button. Next on this page, review all the details entered like product, artwork, name, pricing, and keywords for product. Finally, submit the product for review by Merch Amazon team. Here, you can see the product reviews under process. It will take a few minutes or few hours to be approved. Once it's approved, it will be live for sale. As you can see, our product is live. We have successfully created a sRGB profile product image in Photoshop that's approved by Merch Amazon. Let's click and see how our main product listing page looks. This page you can share in social media and share with your friends, encouraging them to buy if they like the t-shirt design. With this, we come to the end of this video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Like and comment on the video if you like it. Thank you.